What's up everybody, I'm Alex and now I'm at the Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, and today is a bit of a special day because we managed to get the Huawei Mate X in our hands. It was something incredible that I really have to thank to Huawei, allowing me to touch the phone, to touch the product. It was really astonishing. This year everything is about the 5G and the foldable phones, and for me this one stands out more from the other ones. It's not like the Samsung phone, it's not like many of the other that you can find here and there. The interesting thing about it is it's absolutely finished. It has absolutely finished look, and it was looking like you can use it at the moment. The guys from Huawei gave us the phone to test it for something like a minute and a half, to see how it performs, to see how the camera performs, and to see how you can use the rear camera to make a selfie as you are watching yourself at the screen. Also, the other thing is that it was a strange feeling to unfold and fold the phone again, because I was kind of scared. You know, the price of this thing is above 2,000 euro. It is hell of expensive, and this is a niche product. This is not something that is meant to be announced and meant to be put on the market for all of the consumers. This is a niche product that won't be even produced in big numbers. So in this case it was absolutely great working. The screen is very good. In unfolded condition it is 8-inch, and it is very useful for multitasking because you can do many things with the phone. You can open up to 3 apps, even you can open Google Maps, you can open WhatsApp and things like this, so you can do many things at the moment because it's huge. And if you want to have just a normal phone and put it in your pocket, you just fold it. When you fold it, it stays in this position unless you push the button that is very hard to push. When you push the button, it's opening, and then you can stretch the screen. The phone in open condition is a little bit thicker than the Mate 20 Pro that Huawei announced also last year, and for me this is something amazing. Other things about the phone is that it uses the Balong chip inside. This is Huawei's chip, so it's a great machine. If I'm not wrong, it has 8 GB of RAM, and for the storage maybe something like 256 GB, but for this thing I'm not so sure. I don't see the final product coming maybe till the end of the year. I'm expecting this to come maybe in 2020, so we can take a look at it, to take a look and make a review of it. Maybe some of the other YouTubers will have the opportunity to make a review, but I don't think that I'll get the phone very soon. So this is my summary from the Huawei Mate X feeling, because it's not something that you have the opportunity to make every day. It was very interesting, and all the journalists that we were in the press room managed to take a look at it, so it was something like an exclusive. For me, this is the most important and most interesting part from the whole Mobile World Congress, even that there are so many things like robots that can make you a coffee and robots that can pass you a bottle of water, but these are videos that I'm going to make very soon and upload it. So stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe for the channel and share this video. Bye!